Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the medium properties and waveform, measure density and elasticity so you know what you're working with. Once done, configure your source to emit a precise compression pulse, set amplitude and frequency, then start propagation. You must capture a clear baseline, record the single wave profile, speed, and damping. This baseline tells you the how and why of later interactions. Make sure to synchronize your sensors and generator. Timing precision is critical to double the effect rather than distort it. Next, you introduce the secondary pulse with precise timing. Align its delay to arrive at the target zone when the first wave is in the optimal compression phase. You do this to force constructive interference, so adjust phase until peaks coincide. Once aligned, carefully tune amplitude. Too low yields no doubling. Too high creates nonlinear artifacts. Monitor interaction region in real time and iterate timing by microseconds. Small shifts change outcomes. By controlling delay, phase, and amplitude, you effectively double the compression at the desired point. To finish, verify the doubled compression by comparing peak pressure and displacement against your baseline. Double should appear as roughly twice the amplitude at the interaction site. Once satisfied, lock parameters and add boundary treatments, impedance matching, or absorbers to prevent reflections that spoil the effect. If you see instability or unexpected harmonics, reduce the secondary amplitude by about 10% and re-optimize phase and timing. This usually restores clean constructive interference. Keep a log of settings so you can reproduce success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.